Hey guys, welcome to Split. Today we are looking at the OpenRock X Open Ear Air Conduction Sports Earbuds. Their pitch is comfort with music that doesn't disconnect you from the world around you, so you pretty much get it because they're open ear design. Let's get into it. It comes in a pretty good looking box that has decent presentation and is nicely compartmentalized, with the earphones in an aluminum case sitting at the top, manuals in a separate compartment underneath, and a ring clip you can attach to the case and in turn attach to something else, like a backpack, for making it easy to carry. The manual box contains your reading materials along with a charging cable. There is also a smaller carrying case that is not in the box. This doesn't charge it, but it has sleeves to hold the earphones in, which makes sense because the main charging case is a bit bulky. It's a bit big. It'll look weird sitting in your jean pocket. So the smaller case is a bit more suited for your daily putting in your pocket, and your charging case would be better off living in your backpack or hanging off the side of it. This is the white pair, but you can get them in orange and black variants as well. So the design is, in the long-winded name, in the sense that they're open ear and air conduction sitting behind your ear. They don't block out the surroundings. They're held in place by a counterweighted part that goes over and behind the pinna of your ear. This part is made of a special grade silicone and has antibacterial coating and is designed to flex so you can fold it in as far as you need to, so it fits tightly. This is important. Otherwise, they would fall out and feel super loose. They did feel a bit weird, the first time I didn't push them in. I did some jumping motion, but I still didn't feel entirely confident that they would hang in there. So I did what any rational person would do. I did a handstand to see if they would fall out, and they did not, which is good. Moving on. The part that sits just outside your ear canal is a directional speaker that fires waves into your ear canal, right? That still allows you to hear the world around you, but gives you clear sound that is pumped straight into your ear canal. They are rated for IPX5 sweat and water resistance, so they will survive sweat working out or rain splashes if you're cycling or running outside, if that's your thing. But definitely don't swim with these because, water will ingress and they'll die. In total, they weigh 12 grams each, so pretty easy to ignore when you have them on, and they are super comfortable, which is one of the major sells for these earphones. There are no touch controls. You physically have to press the button that is embedded on each one of the buds. You hold it down for volume adjustment, right to go up, left to go down, single click to play and pause, double click to go forward, and triple click to skip back. So how do they sound? For open ear design buds, they are not bad, right? It's an outside party. Basically, that's the effect I get when I use them. The music is loud, coming like they're from good reference sound speakers, loud enough to enjoy without losing the details, and still clear enough for you to hear things around you, especially useful for crossing the street or avoiding delivery trucks. And how does it do this? Keep the quality in open ear design. It has a custom 14.2 millimeter dynamic driver and something called a nanometer biofiber diaphragm, which ensures rich, high resolution sound with minimal distortion. Well, at least in most cases. There are also 4 AI noise canceling microphones running off a proprietary algorithm called LISO 2.0 for immersive sound. And it does diesel restoration to ensure crystal clear calls in windy and noisy environments. In my testing, it did pretty okay in windy scenarios. Surprisingly, I thought that'd just bury it. But it was just meh in noisy environments. And I guess this is because to noise cancel perfectly, you do need some sort of seal for a decent effect. Basically, temper your expectations when it comes to noise canceling for calls. It also has something called bass direct, acoustic cavity, which transmits energy efficiently, delivering powerful bass while preventing sound leakage, so he claims. But the bass was good. Like I said, I was decently surprised at the amount of bass that was coming through in this open ear design. Now, you gotta have multi-point connection, and they do, which is a must-have in today's world of multiple gadgets. So you can stay connected to your phone and to your laptop without having to unpair each time, which is pretty convenient. In terms of battery life, it's pretty impressive. It is 12 hours on a single charge and a total of 48-hour battery life with the case included. Plus, it has fast charging. So you can charge for 5 minutes and get 1 hour of playback time. So in case you forget to charge it the night before and you want to go out for a run, 5 minutes and you're good. Well, the app is, your typical app. You have your EQ settings where everyone tries to give their EQs unique names. This one has 3 called rock mode, relax mode, and boom mode, but you can adjust and tweak them to your personal preference. But some notable features, like it has a WHO recommended max volume limiter. So in case you want to take care of your hearing for longer, it makes suggestions on how long, on the volumes not to go beyond. And it also has weird reminders to let you know you've been rocking these for quite a while, so you don't go deaf, which is pretty mindful of the health of your ears. You can also turn on adaptive volume control to try to ensure optimal sound in different environments. So it'll go up or down and change the EQ depending on what kind of noise is coming in. In a nutshell, this ticks a lot of boxes for open ear design lovers. They are typically about 170 USD, right? With decent but underwhelming bass. It's very comfortable. It's good fit. I like the design and has a fantastic battery life. Also, one more weird thing I noted is the fact that you have 2 options for cases, one that charges, which is the main house, and the other one, which you can just sort of rock as a bit sleeker carrying case, presents a dilemma for walking around with 2 cases. Typically, your earbuds would fit in 1 case, and that's it. You take it with you. For these, you got to take them out of that case that isn't charging and put them in the other case that looks prettier. But when you need to charge them, you transfer them back to the other case. Again, maybe I'm overthinking it, but I just think it's too much to think about with my earbuds. I should just pick them up and go. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the OpenRock X open ear earphones. I didn't even say the full name. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help us make more videos and help with the algorithm. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Take care.